चाय में सबसे ज्यादा मिलावट भी हो रही है। प्लांटेशन जाके समझे that the problem is so big. Factories are also using artificial color, flavors and fragrances. Currently we have merged 5 masala tea blends and 3 flower teas. The formulations are completely in-house. We have a research and development team who are creating these products, and I don't think that there is any product in the market that is similar to this.
নমস্কার, আমি প্রবিশা চট্টোপাধ্যায়। আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত প্রবিশাস জ্ঞানে। প্রবিশাস জ্ঞানে আমি বাঙালি ইউথদেরকে এন্টারপ্রেনিউরশিপ আর বিজনেস রিলেটেড মোটিভেশন দিয়ে থাকি। তাছাড়া বিজনেস ইভেন্টে কভার করে থাকি। যেমন আজকের বিজনেস ইভেন্টে আমরা এসেছি বিইতে, বেঙ্গালস এন্টারপ্রেনিউরস ইকোসিস্টেমের জানুয়ারি মিটআপে। আর আজকে কত তারিখ? 19 জানুয়ারি। আপনারা সবাই আসুন, আমরা দেখি ভিতরে কি হচ্ছে, পিচ কতগুলো হচ্ছে, কে কে গেস্ট এসেছে এবং গেস্টরা বিজনেস সম্বন্ধে, এন্টারপ্রেনিউরশিপ সম্বন্ধে, ইনভেস্টমেন্ট সম্বন্ধে কি বলছে। আর তাছাড়া এরপর থেকে আপনারা প্রবিশাস জ্ঞান বাংলাতে ছাড়া হিন্দি আর ইংলিশও পাবেন। তাহলে আমরা কি ভিতরে চলি, আসুন।
Good evening. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are welcome to the next 10 minutes of the storytelling of childhood. I'm Madhalika and I'm Neha, and we are the co-founders of Childhood. So, Childhood is a global wellness movement, and we aim to redefine this cluttered and huge tea market. So, before we start, quickly, I would like to know, अभी यहाँ आने से पहले हम में से कितने लोगों ने एटलीस्ट 1 कप चाय पिया होगा, या फिर 1 से ज्यादा? Alright. So इंडियन घरों में आफ्टर वाटर अगर कोई भी ड्रिंक सबसे ज्यादा कंज्यूम की जाती है वो चाय है, एंड इसी चाय में सबसे ज्यादा मिलावट भी हो रही है. Unfortunately, as Indians are so accustomed to have chai tea powder either from the premium brands. We come across so many articles daily which talks about the plight of the small tea growers. Plantation जाके समझे that the problem is so big. Widespread use of pesticides, fertilizers, and the farmers are literally forced to sell their tea leaves at 30 to 40% less market value. Factories are also using artificial color, flavors, and fragrances. So here we thought of flipping the situation by using 5 of our core principles. First, 3 to eliminate the middlemen, work directly with small tea growers. Second, being our core recipe of Brahma Muhurta plucking, where all of our ingredients are plucked at 96 minutes prior to sunrise, which is a time in during which the plants have peak energy levels. Third key, all of our black tea blends have the ingredients which we use are 100% real, and all the recipes are used are completely Ayurvedic inspired. Fifth, that 90% of our workforce are women. After 6 months of a thorough market research and social experiment, we figured out that all those wellness tea brands are catering to 80% women, and also all the advertisement and marketing are targeted to them. So market से पूरा perspective ही गायब है कि wellness is not only limited to women, right? Also men deserves to be pampered. With this, it gives me an opportunity to tell this line, but why should girls have all the fun? Right, so data shows that 30% of men are smokers, and nowadays very alarmingly 50% of the men are having sexual performance issues due to increase in anxiety and stress. So we thought of why not make 2 categories in make a category for these 2, and we are now rating one lung seat of tea and second intimacy tea. Right, so these are the 2 categories, which 2 products with which we are trying to create a new category. Although there are few products in the market, we have not really tapped the market, and we don't know how are we going to hit the numbers. So once we do that, we will be happy to position Childhood as a global only men's healthy brand. So currently we have merged 5 masala tea blends and 3 flower teas, and they are light and amazing. These are the products we also circulated for the Currently, the premium tea market is globally marked at $500 to $800 million, and our real consumers are urban, health-oriented people who are tea enthusiasts, and third, the people who deal with premium and gourmet beverages. What we are looking amongst you is to have more to get to the traditional networks. And since right now we are a D2C brand, but we would like to have an omni-channel presence and to have presence in retail, restaurants, cafes, in fact also be export. So yeah, so we were met at the Bee Meet itself almost 9 months back.
No, 9 months, 5 first.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, and since then we are like working on this product, and right now this 5 City Inspired blends, which the formulations are completely in-house. We have a research and development team who are creating these products, and I don't think that there is any like product in the market that is similar to this right now.
As of now.
So that's why that you're having as a price for audience.
কত টাকা চাই, কত পার্সেন্ট ডাইলুশন বলো?
Yeah, we are open for investors at a marathon basis.
One to one. Why not to disclose?
Because right now,
I mean, we're just looking for people if they have water, then we talk.
But you know, rather than speaking to 100 guys, you know, in a different medium or a place, why not disclose it?
so right now we're looking for raising funds for marketing and distribution itself. It will be approximately 50 lakhs, right?
At a valuation of?
That is what we are. I'm a bit busy at the Siraj last month. So then, so December, we launched it last month in December with just online lesson. So we are really, suddenly in future really talking about the funding part. But we are right open. That's why we said we can talk on that.
ঠিক আছে, বাট ভ্যালুয়েশন একটা আইডিয়া তো চাই। মানে ইফ আই এম ইউর প্রবাবল ইনভেস্টর, আই এম সিকিং টু ইনভেস্ট, আই শুড হ্যাভ আ ভ্যালুয়েশন, রাইট? আমি বিন ল্যাকিং একটা ভ্যালুয়েশন তো বলো। মানে যে 50 লাখ তুলতে চাও তার কোনো বেসিস তো থাকবে।
Maybe 50 lakh with the equity of 5%.
50 লাখ 5%, 20 কোটি টাকার ভ্যালুয়েশন, বেসিস কি? See, this is our means, right? And we should always be clear. This is not our first session. Tiga tomra compare korbe. Time is important. Gorno ব্যক্তিত্ব আছে. You should always be prepared. If you're sitting a valuation of 20 crores out of thin air, it's absolutely bullshit.
We think that this product has a lot of potential.
So, madam, investors should think like.
We are dating the pre-revenue stage, so we are not really able to.
কোটি টাকা রিভিউশনের বেসিসটা কি তোমাকে ওরা ছিঁড়ে কেনে দেয়? মানে if you are approaching an investor, there should be a sanity, there should be a metric, right? I have pitched innumerable times. I be an investor asking pitches, but it should be backed by clarity.
Okay, listen, and I think I'm too nervous over it. Therefore, this is the importance of theoretical study also. Theoretically, তোমার একটু পড়ে আসতে হবে যে কি কি করতে হয় when you are doing a startup pitch, কি কি করতে হয়। যেমন তুমি ভ্যালুয়েশন যদি না বলো তাহলে সবাই বুঝে যাবে যে তুমি একটা সিরিয়াস ন বা তোমার প্রোডাক্টটা রেডি, তাহলে তুমি কোনোদিনই এটা পাবে না, তোমাকে পড়ে যেতে হবে। অ্যান্ড দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ইম্পর্টেন্স অফ থিওরিটিক্যাল স্টাডি। বুঝতে পারছো? তুমি যখন নেক্সট টাইম যাবে, আই এম শিওর ওপরে একটুখানি এটা ভ্যালুয়েশনটা ডিসাইড করে, যাতে করে সবাই এটাকে সিরিয়াসলি নেয়। সেটাই সেই জন্য থিওরিটিক্যালি ওটা পড়া দরকার। এফিটের ভ্যালুয়েশনটা
The market is.
Just one suggestion. Suppose, as you said, that we are not doing sales right now, but somebody is asking you for valuation. When people are asking for valuation, they generally think about your future. What is going to happen, say, 5 years or 10 years down the line. So the quick answer to that, for example, you have to be quick on your feet, and you can say that, you know the value of your product. Say, 10 টাকা যদি দাম হয়, then I'm going to teach you to first thing you said that it's the second most popular drink. So just think, Kolkata kri amar 1 lakh থাকে, আনুদি যদি আমার 25 লাখ টাকা খায়, তাহলে 25 লাখ কি যদি আবার 10 হয়, so that's about somewhere around 250. So I can say that is by pre-revenue valuation. এরকমভাবে মানে you need to return এটা ডট সেভার মতো অন্ধকে গলি নেই, এটা পয়সা জানে না, রাইট? So you are very smart.
You're a wonderful teacher.
Yes. Okay, so let's forget the valuation for now. Have you studied the tea market? What is the total tea market in India?
So the tea market is valued at approximately 10,000 CR in India.
Tea market is 25,000 crores. What is the specialty tea market in India?
The flavors and herbal tea market is approximately 4,000 CR.
2,500. So that's where you need to go very deep into. I represent one of the top CE companies in India, right? And we have these numbers on our fingertips. If you are entering this business, if you are really serious about cracking anything, you need to really be very clear at least of the market. Forget the valuation. Valuation will come. It's a process, right? But at least you need to be clear that what is the total market, what is the addressable market, and do you have any competitor? What about T-Box? What are you doing which T-Box is not doing? T-Box is doing all of these things and in a much better way.
No, actually not, because they are using flavor.
They are using flavor. They are just vigorously using flavors and they're marketing it to be a natural and
Fresh with super. Yeah,
They
so
are claiming in their marketing that
that is a marketing great.
they're claiming and they're doing a vigorous market. We are, but they're not using real ingredients.
ultimately you have to reach the market through marketing, right?
Yeah, that.
What you're going to say that T-Box is doing,
We obviously cannot.
lying. You're not going to say that.
We can't.
They'll see you out of the market.
See, that is called, there is called that stress testing, that we can show the brands but not the exactly brand, and we can show them the various stress and all that, how we are
So
different.
educational contents and what actually the essence the tea brands are doing. We can create a lot of contents using
So right now you are distributing in friends and family, what I understand, right? In the last month or
last for 20 days.
And also, since we are focused on, because we understood that this threat is gonna come, and how do we actually compete them? That is why we thought of creating a category of men's tea. So since that is also very much fragmented, and also the demand is definitely there, but there's no way in a proper categorizations way. So that is why we are trying to position ourselves now.
do proper research of the market. That's all. Like
Yeah, definitely.
নমস্কার, আপনাদের এই ভিডিওটি কেমন লাগলো অবশ্যই জানাবেন। অবশ্যই লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেন এবং ফলো করে দেবেন এবং নিজেদের যত ফ্রেন্ডস অ্যান্ড রিলেটিভস আছে তাদেরকে বলবেন, যারা ব্যবসা করতে চায় তাদেরকে অবশ্যই জানাবেন কোনো ব্যবসার জন্য যেন আমরা আবার উদ্যোগী হই, ব্যবসা করি, সেটা সব থেকে বড় কথা। আমরা আছি কি কৃষ্ণ। আজকের মতো চলি।